This is a seagull. Their preference is to steal our food and snatch any objects they come across. Look, this is how they go shopping. Very convenient, right? You're enjoying that pizza. Oh, can I have a slice? So yummy! According to one study, it was found that 48% of the birds approached the packets when the person was eating, compared with 19% when they weren't. Look, they are such bold thieves. They are not even afraid to act in broad daylight. So, what would you think about this bird species? Please subscribe and leave your comment below.